So the weird situation that we're in right now is that iOS 26 really wasn't the most stable version of software, but it's looking like iOS 27 could potentially end up being significantly more stable than iOS 26 when iOS 27 is a little bit more refined. Right now, not so much, but I would say in the next coming months, when iOS 27 comes to like 27.1, 27.2, there's a pretty high chance that update might actually end up being slightly more stable. So what I'm thinking I'm planning on doing is, now I'm not 100% too sure, but what I am kind of thinking is that within iOS 27, because it is probably going to be more stable and more refined over time, I might end up skipping iOS 26 on my iPhone 15 Pro and jump straight over to iOS 27. My iPhone 15 Pro right now is on iOS 18 still. So I'm still on iOS 18. I have not yet updated yet. So I'm thinking that instead of going up to iOS 26 and basically kind of dealing with some of the iOS 26 issues, I might as well go straight up and jump straight up to iOS 27 and basically just use this iPhone on iOS 27. Since my iPhone 15 and my 14 Pro have been pretty stable for the most part on iOS 27. I think when the time is right, obviously not right now, but at least probably November-ish of this year, I might jump straight up to iOS 27 and use that particular update. So we'll wait and see what happens, but in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.